It's your brother Julian the General Smith Jr. sounding the alarm, calling all Garveyites, calling all freedom fighters, calling all justice lovers to meet me here at the historic Big Bethel AME Church on Auburn Avenue, downtown Atlanta, for a special event. On March 25th, 1917, the Right Excellent Marcus Mosiah Garvey spoke his first public address in America at Big Bethel in Atlanta, Georgia in 1917. We will be commemorating this auspicious occasion on March 25th, 6 o'clock p.m. at Big Bethel AME Church. I invite you. If you love freedom, if you love justice, you love organization, now is our time. I serve as president of the Sons of Allen at Allen Temple AME Church. I am organizing with the Sons of Allen here at Big Bethel AME Church. And we have partnered with the AJA, the Atlanta Jamaican Association. We have also partnered with the UNIAACL Jamaica President, Stephen Golding, who will be presenting a lecture here. He is our keynote speaker at this event. We also have support from the Jamaican Consulate in Atlanta. This Monday, March 25th, 2024 event is very special. And you, if you love Garvey, if you love the red, the black, and the green, if you're from Jamaica, from the Caribbean, or in the African diaspora, this is a place where you need to be. Now is our time to organize, organize, organize. Now is our time so that the Pan-African community in Atlanta can position ourselves as a voting bloc. Now is our time to bring the movement to the church where it began. Garvey began his movement in the church, and the church supported his movement. The church has always been the home of black liberation. It is the birthplace of black liberation. And here my aim, I'm sounding the alarm. I came to set the church on fire for black liberation. Because now is our time more than ever. Our children need us to organize, organize, organize. And I'm here to help lead the movement. You want to be a soldier? Well, I want to be a general. And if you're a general, well, I want to ride with you. So we're organizing, we're strategizing, and we're mobilizing. March 25th, 6 o'clock p.m., Big Bethel AME Church on Auburn Avenue. It's our time to organize. We will be highlighting discussion, highlighting celebration, highlighting Marcus Garvey's contribution to Atlanta, highlighting the need for unity amongst the Pan-African community in Atlanta. I look forward to seeing you here. I look forward to more events. And I also serve as the executive director and founder of the J.K. Smith Senior Foundation. This nonprofit organization helps facilitate, organize, promote events like these, and helps cultivate the hidden genius in sons of color through music, boxing, travel. I look forward to working with you. I look forward to supporting your efforts, and I look forward to seeing you here at Big Bethel AME Church on March 25th at 6 o'clock p.m. on Auburn Avenue in Atlanta, Georgia. You will hear more from me soon. Have a blessed day. The marathon continues. The struggle continues. Now is our time. We are the ones we've been waiting for. I am the leader you've been waiting for. If you want a leader, here I go. If you're looking for one, guess what? You are that leader too. And my last point in this video is leadership is a spirit. And we are all leaders cultivating the spirit of leadership. How will you lead? If you like the way I lead, then come on, follow me. And if you have another way to lead, then I want to follow you. And guess what? We are all following the spirit of our Creator, the Almighty. Because now is our time to rise.